pussy them free now shoot out again. 6 pants bust blood shoot out ahead. Rich badness. If we boy not a link, them pussy not no cash. Broke what you have, boy you know about squash.
Greetings viewers and subscribers, welcome back to Line TV. So we have a quick update based on the last video that was posted here on Line TV. Cause by now everybody's supposed to know a popular Jamaican comedian, popular TikToker, a youth by the name of Dawg was shot and injured in Miramar, Florida a day and a half ago. And we forward there so and we put out some things, and based on the information we are getting, in fact since the shooting incident, it has set off a chain of events. And you don't know how Jamaica media stay, you don't know how Jamaica social media stay. Whole heap of things are swing around. And right now, we also have video evidence, video footage of what took place. Yes, we also have information on persons that were not involved and them name a call right now. And not to mention the fact say this is not the first time them shoot after Dawg. It just happened that this time him get shot. It just happened that this time somebody else get killed. You see what I say? But before going into details, may I ask you to do one simple favor. Pause this video for a second and click the subscription button. Also click the notification bell just so that you will be notified each and every time a new video is uploaded on this channel when you reach this far. So please may I ask you, give this video a like. We'll get straight into it.
I be a ride from a put on the block. Woof woof woof. Why you a laps? Fuck them.
So up first, it is no secret that popular Jamaican comedian and TikToker, a youth by the name of Dawg, was shot and injured in Miramar, Florida. That's what I say. We see which part them run the story all over the media, and right now it's stink up the place, literally. You see what I say? The facts is that Dawg was shot. The facts is that his cousin was killed. The fact is that one person is now in custody. The fact is that we still don't know if any more people get arrested. We don't know much we are going about the situation right now. But we see Swiss Lee him forward out and him say some things. Now that we don't know if a facts. But me I tell you say yo, a whole heap of things go on. Whole heap of things were said immediately after the incident. So previously, everybody has say, yo, this involves squash. Yes, what me I say, this involves some missing guns and all of them thing there. Now, it stemmed from this youth to forward out and do a live, and in the live, him a make Dawg know say, yo, him can brush him anytime, and if you know say man the 6 them no good again because of some missing guns and all of them thing there. That's what me I say. But now when me I look back on everything, me I say, yo, me nah see a man no so fool for want to kill a man for some missing guns in America and them thing there. But we speaking of America, we speaking of Florida to be precise, where almost a dog can walk in a gun store or in a gun shop and buy a gun legally. Not illegally, you know, but legally. And that's one of the reasons why a lot of Jamaicans were in a badness, them know the states where them go, because them know say yo, them can just walk around with a gun, them can just buy a gun. You understand what me I say? I saw it thing go. So if you know say yo, a man can just walk in and buy a gun, so and you go kill a man because of some missing guns and them thing that it kinda silly to me, because that will bring on more heat upon yourself. You see what me I say? So right now the talk that we are going say yo, it involves squash and it's because of some missing guns. Me no feel like say that makes sense. Another thing will not make sense, none at all. Me see people I say yo, Swiss Lee sacrifice or a try to sacrifice Dawg, and it ended up reach him cousin. No viewers and subscribers, that also can't make sense. We know so we have conspiracy theories and them people out there. We are gonna say yo, Swiss Lee get bigger now because him they at the top of the Jamaica comedian food chain, and because him keep a party and him sell out stadium and all of them little thing there. But me I tell you, this what the matter about sacrifice in my opinion and nonsense. Me nah say no go so, but that is something where me just simply no believe in. That is something where me just simple nah go believe. That's what me I say. And speaking of all of this, before me even continue, please watch the video real quick.
If go the car boy them know me car. Everybody know me Matt Black BMW. So me set to boom now Swiss Lee. As in tap out so. Swiss Lee say me tap out so I reach a blood clock gate. A 3 man me see come behind inside the door and start squeeze off of me. I mean, now turn my back and give them in a Swiss Lee. I'm going to take my gun from the security, you know, but the gun the right, that's you know. Swiss Lee, I'm going to jump in on my front, you know. You see me, I did forget to be one look enough boy come there now and I saw me jump, you know. I say, pussy in my talk about me get shot, you know. I never get no shot, you know, Swiss Lee. So when enough boy come grab me now, you know, like him a pull me, you know. But I foot slip, so I saw me drop now. And the boy comes and marks me up in the security, bust 2 or 5 now, you know, Swiss Lee. Same time, I try drop him. Swiss Lee say, no, me the whole of me. I shot all the boy there and put him. I sit down over him body, you know, kind of no papers, you know. I shoot him up. Hey, Swiss Lee, I tell you, bro. I don't rate them, boy. And they know I don't rate them. Me, I rate them 95 or further, boy, I don't rate them. That's why when I hear TJ call, I come talk about brother, I'm going to suck your mother, but.
So this video was Real Dawg detailing what happened when he was shot at previously. As when I say, this is not the first time them a shoot after Real Dawg. This is not the first time them a kill after Real Dawg. You understand what I say? This is just the first time him get shot based on my information. You see what I say? Now, once something happen, some old video we do long time, some old things are gonna start forward, which is why we see this video with him stating this and stating that. So again, as when we say, yo, it seems like say them have it out the pan Real Dawg. It seems like say, yo, them have it say, yo, this you mark for death. No, they are more lucky this time than they were the last time when them shoot after him and miss. Now, as regards to Real Dawg situation, based on what Swiss Lee has said. And no, it don't look like a dog no say him because dead. But based on other information we get, Real Dawg is now in stable condition. You know, sound like a nothing life threatening. And them did make sure say them have him in a surgery because them see how the gunshot broke up him and them look at thing there. We still don't know if a 1 shot him get. We still don't know if a 2 or a 3. We just know say him get shot. We just know say it broke up him and surgery that we do immediately just to try to save him, and we don't know if the right or the left, but we are bringing to you what we get. Another solid information we get, especially based on the facts you will forward as one report on it again, is that based on what them say, the body of Real Dawg cousin, them never go on no scene go find it, they never go on no shooting scene. As I'm telling you, the incident happened at 2 places based on what was previously reported from the news media in Florida. So what them say is that them get called to a location. When them go at the location, them say clearly, say, yo, a shooting take place, but them never see a body. Then them get called to another location, which part them find the body. But based on what we saw, especially the video evidence, or we see the shooting going at the Dunkin's donut, seems as if in the drive-thru or the parking lot. Now, people are going to take with themselves. Real Dawg, everybody take with themselves. Now, while driving on the road, the police them get a call and them move up to the car. When them pull over the car, pull up beside the car, the person, the driver, make them know, say, yo, watch out, we have a youth in the car right now, we get shot and killed. Now, that is the person that died, Real Dawg cousin. So it look like so when the shooting go on at the Dunkin's parking lot, them a rush with him to go hospital, and you don't know, follow procedures, call the police. When them call the police, police actually meet them on the way, and by the time them find out and bring the youth, he was pronounced dead. But then now the police them say things take a turn when them get a call from the hospital, say somebody turn up to the hospital with gunshot wounds. That person was Real Dawg. Now at the time, the police them never have the identity for nobody, them never know who the people them be until family members of both Real Dawg and the youth were dead turn up and a cry, and you don't know identify them both. Now you know if you know it's a Jamaican, everywhere Jamaican work everywhere. So immediately after family members identify them both, I succumb the news start swing around and I say, yo, Real Dawg get shot. But as well, I say viewers and subscribers, this is definitely a sad one. Mr. Swiss Lee do alive and I say, yo, boy, it's just sad say, yo, him never did it. Because if him didn't know, so Real Dawg would touch the street. Me also was wish party, I say, yo, if him did it, our Real Dawg did tell him, say, you must touch the street. But I say, yo, don't touch the road. Yo, me I tell you, it's just sad. That's what me I say. And we just wish Real Dawg a speedy recovery. We know, say, yo, I know, he is not the most likable for everybody and all of them things, but at the end of the day, as I'm saying in the last video, 1 life lost is 1 life too many. That's what me I say. And I hope say yo, no retaliation no go on, cause we don't want to see them thing continue. Yes, what me I say, we still don't get any information though in regards to Real Dog shooting back or firing back. Me don't know if him team fire back. I don't know if it was an ambush. Nobody still don't know yet. But here, just as was promised yesterday, this is an update based on what happened. And immediately after we get more information, we are go forward there so again and give you an update. Bless up viewers and subscribers. Remember, give this video a like.